Welcome to Learning Music Hub, an animated approach in music theory, made clear and easy to understand. This is a free anytime, any day music learning on the go music theory app. In Lesson 1, you will be learning about the staff, note heads, and the ledger lines. If you want to read and learn notes quickly, you may always refer to this video and follow on all of our lessons. Let's start this lesson with the staff. In Western music, pitch is written on a staff. The staff, plural is staves, consists of 5 parallel lines. The modern music notation basically consists of 5 lines, namely line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, and line 5. There are also 4 spaces between the lines, namely space 1, space 2, space 3, and space 4. There are also spaces above and below the staff. Ultimately, we'll call the staff as the house of notes. The note heads. Note heads are small oval shapes drawn on the staff. For what? To represent particular pitches. They may appear on a line or a space. Note heads are commonly known as the notes. Look at the above staff. Notice that the second note is a slightly higher pitch than the first note. Let's have a challenge in this lesson number 1. Identify what line or space numbers are the above given notes. Answer: line 2. The answer is line 4. The answer is space 1. The answer is line 1. The answer is space 3. The answer is space 4. The answer is line 5. The answer is line 3. The ledger lines. Ledger lines are short individual lines added above or below the staff. Since a staff is limited only into 5 long parallel lines, the ledger lines have now the effect of extending the staff. It has the same distance apart as the lines of the staff. Notes can be written in the ledger lines above the staff. Notes can be written in the ledger lines below the staff. Notes can be written in the spaces above the staff. And notes can be written in the spaces below the staff. Take advantage of this best and free music app only here in YouTube. Learning Music Hub, an animated approach, made clear and easy to understand. You can possess all these music lessons. Just click like, subscribe, and click on the bell button so that you can always get updated with all of our great music lessons that's coming in your way. Thank you.